CraftPath helps households recognize leftover materials, suggest suitable DIY projects, and guide step-by-step creation. First, users take a photo of leftover materials. The AI analyzes the image to identify material type, size, and condition, providing accurate information for project planning. Next, the app suggests suitable DIY projects based on the identified materials. Users can view AI-generated plans and order any missing components directly within the app, creating a seamless, integrated workflow. An AI assistant answers questions in real time, while clear step-by-step instructions guide users through tools and project tasks. This combination of AI guidance and intuitive interface empowers families to take action and complete projects efficiently, while sharing their results with the community.